Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz, and in today's video, we're shopping at Dollar Tree. I can't wait to go find all the new items they have out, so let's go shopping. I'm excited about these starfish and sand dollars. These would be so great in like nautical decor. Look at this new decorative jute rope. I'm obsessed. It's like a cream and navy blue, so pretty. And then look at this, you guys. I literally made something like this in a previous DIY, but you can buy them here as well. Oh my gosh! Dollar Tree has never had beads like this before. That's super exciting. I'm getting these. These blue jars are gorgeous. I'm getting 3 of these. Look over here. Look at these. I think they're supposed to be like candle holders. They're ceramic and they have this rope appearance. We need to get some of these. Dollar Tree is now selling pegboards. They come in white and black. This is so exciting. I cannot believe they have these here. You can get a variety of shelves, little cups to hang on your pegboard. They also have a bunch of different options for hooks as well. I like this little fish. I think I need to get it. These napkin rings are wrapped with twine. These are going to be perfect for our DIYs, you guys. Look at these, you guys. I mean, they're, oh, that's cute. And then a little blue jar. Looks like there's a bunch of colors. They have a clear jar, a blue jar, and then this teal color. I want to tell you guys about the Ritual multivitamin that I've been taking every day, and I want to thank Ritual for sponsoring today's video. Ritual really takes the guesswork out of multivitamins for me. Their multivitamins contain 9 high-quality nutrients from D3 all the way to omega-3, which I know for me, that can be really hard to get enough in every day, even when I'm eating healthy. Ritual offers multivitamins for men, 50 plus, kids, and teens, which is great because I can get vitamins for my whole family. There's a mint tab in every bottle to keep your vitamins smelling fresh. I really appreciate that they're gentle on an empty stomach with their delayed release capsules. With Ritual vitamins, I'm able to build a lasting habit of taking multivitamins every day. Ritual is offering you all 20% off your first month. Ritual is that small step you need to get in all of your daily vitamins. That's 20% off 1 month's worth of vitamins or proteins. I'm gonna put my link right here as well as my code that you can use. I will also put a link to Ritual down in the description box. I love the dish drying racks from Dollar Tree. They're a little bit smaller, but they work great, and they're only $1.25. Dollar Tree keeps rolling out new items for their vinyl section. I just found this faux leather. This is going to be so great in so many of our DIYs. They have a brown, a white, and a black. I'm going to pick up all 3. Fancy bath sponges. Now don't pass up the summer toys. A few of the ones I want to get. I love this little fossil kit that you can put in the sand for your kids. I also want to try out these giant bubble blowers. I've used something similar, but I've never tried out the ones from Dollar Tree. One of my go-tos for a long car ride is Silly Putty. It'll keep your kids entertained for hours. Dollar Tree has 1-ounce containers of the Model Magic. I usually buy this off of Amazon. If you just need a little bit, it might be a great place to buy it. New wood beads. And you guys, they're now carrying the wood natural beads, 125 count. Oh, look at these, Delaney. Love these craft rings. They come in 2 different sizes. Definitely picking these up for a DIY. These stickers would be great in one of our DIYs. I'm thinking this jute cord is new. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not sure. I haven't seen it here before. Which color do you like better? Do you like the red or the white? In the craft section, I just found these permanent writable stickers. These are great for labeling different items in your pantry, underneath your sink. So many cool organization finds. I'm glad they have this here now. I also found this rainbow macrame kit. This would be so fun to put together. And if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is rainbow, down in the comments. Iridescent items are so in right now. Dollar Tree has a bunch. New fun summer candle holder options. These clear containers are adorable, definitely worth picking up. These new plates are perfect for summer. They come in the watermelon. You can also get them in the lemon. I love the mix of the decorative moss. These frames are so pretty and I think they look high end. You could definitely add these to different groupings. I think it's important to go to your store frequently because I was here a week ago looking for sand. They didn't have any. Now I'm here and they have a ton of it. So if you're looking for a particular item, maybe try back a week later and hopefully they have it. My goal this summer is to get 700,000 subscribers. I know it's such a crazy number, but if you like my content, you enjoy being here, consider subscribing. It really helps me out. Okay, these are definitely new, these little iridescent bottles. New brand of bamboo charcoal toothbrushes. You get 2 for $1.25. So if you like these, good deal. These jars are too cute, you guys. Perfect for summer. Let me know which one you like better, the black or the blue. I'm getting the blue. Dollar Tree is now selling a lot of cutting machine tools. This scraper comes in really handy. These pens are adorable for the summer. I don't know how well they work, but I love how cute they are. I just spotted these glow-in-the-dark glues as I was walking out the door. These are so fun, especially if you have kids like mine who love to play with slime. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in our next one. Bye.